Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headaches stack. Restlessness to hell and back. What's my purpose? What do I grab? A slippery surface, a heart attack. And sometimes you just gotta believe there's something that'll give you relief. There's something that'll have what you need, what you need. We're broken, it's tragic, we're not all elastic, but maybe there's magic. Believe you could have it, and I know of sadness, the anxious and panic, the infinite vastness of all that is blackness.
Nice one. We'll keep on. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. That'll do it. Nice one. On the shaky head. Shaky head's back in play. All right. Let this bad boy go. There he goes. There we go. Gosh, shoot. There we go. Nice fish. Nice little spotty. There we go. Let him go. Flip him. Woo! Chong. Wow. Nice fish. Nice fish. Good job. Good job, man. I can tell you what I'm talking about. Look how he swallowed that sucker. He's right there. And then he hit it right there. All right. Dang, he got it. He sucked it in there, boy. It's in his gill. Let's see if I can get it out without hurting him. He's got a belly on him. He feels a little bit of a belly. He's eating, he's getting ready for winter time.